U.S. court halts Trump administration move to bar Harvard's foreign student enrollments. In a significant judicial intervention, U.S. District Judge Allison Burroughs issued a temporary restraining order against the Trump administration's efforts to prohibit Harvard University from enrolling international students. This order emerges amidst acute legal showdowns reflecting broader national debates on education policy and campus diversity. The conflict began when Homeland Security Secretary Kristi Noem announced a revocation of Harvard's access to the Student and Exchange Visitor Program, a critical system for international student enrollment, citing the university's alleged inadequacies in addressing the administration's concerns regarding campus violence, anti-Semitism, and connections with the Chinese Communist Party. This provocative policy move by the administration is seen as part of President Trump's broader critique of top U.S. universities, which he accuses of perpetuating anti-American sentiments and compromising national values through their diversity policies and academic programs. Harvard's response was swift and strong, with the university filing an emergency petition that led to Friday's court ruling. In its legal challenge, Harvard starkly criticized the administration's actions as a blatant violation of its constitutional rights, arguing that such decisions severely hinder the institution's mission and disrupt the academic pursuits of over 7,000 international students. Judge Burroughs' decision underscores the potential harm to Harvard and its students, emphasizing the dire consequences of immediate enforcement of the administration's decree. The judge's injunction is temporarily set for 2 weeks, with further hearings scheduled to address this contentious issue comprehensively. This lawsuit is Harvard's second against the Trump administration in less than 2 months, signaling a relentless effort to defend its academic policies and student diversity against escalating federal pressures. Trump's aggressive stance on higher education reform, particularly spotlighting the alleged ideological biases within American universities, has become a pivotal feature of his 2024 re-election campaign. The administration argues that its stringent measures against universities like Harvard are meant to uphold American values and combat anti-Semitism and other forms of bias on campuses. Yet, critics and numerous academic entities view these actions as overt governmental overreach, threatening academic freedom and institutional autonomy. This legal battle at Harvard is set against a backdrop of national unrest related to campus dynamics, especially concerning the governance of ethnic, racial, and political discourse at American universities. As the case unfolds, it could potentially set a precedent for how educational institutions can be governed and how foreign students are embraced in the U.S. academic ecosystem. As the situation develops, both Harvard and the Trump administration remain locked in a high-stakes confrontation that could redefine the boundaries of federal authority over private universities and the rights of international students in the United States. Thank you for choosing Satori News.